Welcome to English Grammar Test. If you pass this test, your English is amazing, and you will have 10 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
She to the store every Saturday. A. Goes. B. Go see. Going. They playing soccer when it started raining. A. Were B. Was C. Are. I him since we were kids. A. Know B. Knew C. Have known. Your friends coming to the party? A. Are B. Is C. Do. The book on the table. A. Is B. Are C. Were. By this time next year, they completed the project. A. Will have. B. Will see. Have. If he harder, he would have passed the exam. A. Studied B. Has studied C. Had studied. She to the gym every morning. A. Goes. B. Went. C. Will go. She always arrives early. A. Does B. Is C. Did. I the answer to the question now. A. Know. B. Knowing. C. Knows. He his homework right now. A. Does. B. Doing. C. Is doing. By next week, I finish the report. A. Have B. Will have C. Will. We to the beach last weekend. A. Go B. Went. C. Going. My keys in the car. A, left. B, leave. C, have, left. You ever been to Paris? A, are B, did, C, have. He a new job recently. A, got. B, gets. C, have, got. I waiting for the bus when it started raining. A was B, am, C, were. She read the book yet. A, didn't. B, hasn't. C, don't. The children playing in the garden now? A, are B, is, C, were. We pizza for dinner last night. A, eat. B, ate. C, eaten. IU at 5 p.m. tomorrow. A, am seeing. B, see. C, will see. He liked to play football, but he does it anyway. A, doesn't. B, didn't. C, don't. The movie at 7 p.m. A begins. B, began. C, will begin. They finished their work by the time I arrived. A, has B, had. C, have. We go for a walk every evening. A, used to be, used to see, is used to. She this book when she was younger. A, reads. B, read. C, will read. If I you, I would apologize. A, am B, was, C, were. I going to the movies later. A, am, be, is, see, are. They planning to visit next week? A, are, be, is, see, was. I my phone at home this morning. A, leave, B, left, C, have, left. The meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow? A, will start. B, starts. C, started. She playing her guitar when I walked in. A, was B, is C, will. The cake delicious. A, taste. B, tastes. C, tasted. He not be at home at the moment. A, can be, can't. C, could. They gone to the concert last night. A, was B, is C, have. I always wanted to visit Australia. A, have, B, had. C, will have. They, their lunch at the moment. A, eat. B, are eating. C, were eating.
She to work by bus every day. A goes, B go, C is going. They their holiday plans yet. A, decide. B, have decided. C, decided. B, was going. Is going. C, went. We seeing each other for a long time. A, haven't. B, didn't. C, won't. I, a letter from her last week. A, get. B, got. C, have got. They to buy new shoes yesterday. A, decide. B, decided. C, deciding. He has homework at. A, hasn't finished. B, isn't finished. C, doesn't finish. We to go hiking this weekend. A, plan. B, are planning. C, will plan. The train at 9 p.m. tonight. A, will arrive. B, arrives. C, arrive. He his car yet. A, hasn't washed. B, won't wash. C, isn't washing. She her room every morning. A, cleans. B, cleaned. C, will clean. By the time I arrived, they already left. A, will. B, have. C, will have. I, to the store tomorrow. A, am going. B, will go. C, going.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.